Creating digital work instructions means that you can organize your work and declutter the shop floor. With Fusion Production on your desktop and mobile devices, the details of each job is always with you and always in sync. You can populate your work instructions directly following the CAM software. This captures important details such as cycle times and setup sheets without the struggle and time-consuming task of gathering paper copies. All this data can be viewed instantly via mobile on the shop floor. Specify part quantity and detailed notes to ensure all information is available to everyone. Create tasks for workstations, including setup and completion time. Specify notes and require a checklist if needed. When ready, you can dispatch the work instructions with a due date, tags for easier search, and the power of flagging a job hot for the customer calling Friday afternoon looking for the job by Monday morning. No digital work instructions will go missing like your paper traveler. These can be viewed by anyone at any time on the shop floor and will remain suitable product history and traceability as parts work their way through each station. Digital work instructions are not just faster and more secure way to ensure your jobs stay on schedule. Each task can be timestamped for later review on job performance. With Fusion Production, you can create and dispatch work instructions, remove manual data entry by adding details directly from Autodesk CAM software, and assure you can follow each job as they make their way through the shop.